Life is filled with many things, and mistakes are one of them. Many will be nothing burgers, some will be a little annoying or problematic, and others can lead to various changes. Welcome back to Repair Time! Pedro here, and today I'll be helping out my client fix up a mistake that anyone could have done. After accidentally using the wrong power supply, it kinda blew up. So with service manuals available, us having a little chat to figure out what the plan of attack is gonna be, we got cracking, so let's get to work. The Zener diode before the rest of the power circuits is completely destroyed. Aside from the Zener diode, the preliminary components with the exception of the coil are going to be replaced. I want to make sure that no unseen damage from the fallout is going to cause issues down the road. It's a good thing there are service manuals available for the unit that has every component listed, which made it easy to figure out what their values are for these guys. Whatever happened to service manuals these days anyway? It's such a useful tool for everyone. Cleaning out the soot shows roughly a 1mm deep, 1mm wide hole. Luckily, it's a simple 2-layer PCB, so there's no multi-layer worries. I'm using a little solder mask so the raw board isn't exposed to the elements. And the little tip I picked up along the way was to use a little heat when UV curing to result in a faster cure. Now to focus on cleaning up the pads, getting them tinned, and get the replacement components in place so we can see what the downstream damage is. With that complete, it's time to test it with a laser from another unit. Can we play Lunar Legends Silver Star Story?
Ah! This is disgusting. This is awful in every way.
It's time to dive into the board and see where the faults can be within the video portions of the board, and check all the liquid caps in general while I'm at it. An initial check doesn't suss any liquid caps, but I'm going to replace the common liquid caps that go bad that affect video regardless, as well as the one for the disc reader. I'll mark ceramic caps with a marker as I go along to double check them later for replacement. Voltages along Q505 are perfectly in spec. Next is to check the voltages along the RGB encoder. It's thanks to the service manual that I can tell whether measured voltages are good or bad. Voltages along the RGB encoder aren't bad, except that the top ceramic cap for VREF is faulty, so it has to go. Along with the ceramic cap, the two liquid caps will be replaced with fresh ones for upkeep. Then there's this ceramic cap for one of the VDD pins on the GPU that's also faulty, so it has to go. Once again, it's time to clean and retin the pads, get the new components in place, clean up any mess, and retest the unit. While I did replace the capacitor for the disc reader, that capture unfortunately got corrupted. Let's do a quick check. Yo, that's more like it. Now, will it play Digimon World 1?
This right here is my favorite thing ever. In the history of forever. I think about this every day.
Okay, so far so good.
One eternity later.
Yep, perfect. Good to go. This was a pretty fun fix overall that led to a nice little challenge. My little bro had a PSOne growing up, and I have some really good memories with him playing on it. So this is something that I really want to do to make sure that the unit was working again. And I'm glad that I was able to do it, because it holds a special place in my heart. And with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.